Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing a tree ring pour resin coaster, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using 4 colors. This one here is Luscious Plum. It's an epoxy paste. This is pink interference mica powder, and I mixed all my pigments in with clear resin. This one here is angel white epoxy paste, and then I'm going to use black pearl mica powder, and I'm just layering my colors on top of each other inside my cup here. I did mix up my resin and my pigments off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my resin, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. In that video, I show you step by step how I mix my resin and my pigments. So I have my cup almost full here. I added about 3 ounces total to my cup, and we're just going to go in and pour it right into my coaster mold. I was doing just little circular motions as I was pouring my resin into my mold here. And in a second, I'm going to start jiggling my cup just to switch up the pattern I was getting and just kind of give it a little bit of a different look. And then I'm going to go back to doing the circular motions to give it more of a tree ring look. Super easy to make this. I was just pouring until my mold was all the way full. And today I'm using the Platinum 360 resin. This resin sets up a little bit faster than maybe a resin that you're used to working with. This one has about a 20-minute working time. So if you were trying this technique with a resin that has like a 40-minute working time, I would let your resin sit in your cups after you mix it for about 20 minutes before you go in and do this tree ring style pour. That will help your lines stay put a little bit better. And that was it. I just let it dry overnight. Here we are ready to take it out of the mold. I love the way it was looking. That pink interference really gave this piece a really gorgeous sparkle. From the back of this piece, you can see it just looks mostly purple. That's because the metallic epoxy paste, that Luscious Plum, it's really dense. So I knew it was gonna sink down to the bottom, and the back was gonna be basically purple. But here's how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.